Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are taking a look at this brand new 2024 Rpod 153 travel trailer. This is the second smallest Rpod that they currently make. We're going to take a few minutes to run you through the inside and outside real quick. Let's start off here on the inside and then we'll come on back to the outside. So as you step up into your new Rpod, you're going to have your fire extinguisher here, some storage right there, and a 6 cubic foot Norcold gas and electric refrigerator. There's a propane furnace down here, electric box with the breakers and fuses. Over here on the left, you're going to have your monitor panel, water heater on propane, water pump, monitor panel, awning in and out button, awning light, porch light, interior light. Pretty basic stuff there. You have a little seat area here. Nice size windows overlooking the campsite or awning side area. And some upper cabinet storage here. I have it in bed mode. We'll put it in dinette mode here shortly. But you basically have kind of a queen size bed set up here. Over here, you're going to have your convection microwave, so you can cook or microwave either one. Some storage down below. 2-burner gas stovetop, your sink and high-rise sprayer faucet. A little bit of cabinet space up above, hood range light and fan. Coleman AC system up here. Digital thermostat for your AC and furnace. Right here is going to be the bathroom area. So in here you have your step-in shower. It's got a skylight up above, ABS tub surround. Pull across little curtain there. Then you have your foot flush toilet. A little bit of storage and sink space. But overall, a pretty nice little setup here for a couple. If you're looking for something small, quick and easy to tow around for some quick camping trips. Now let's flip it around into dinette mode for you. So there you can see it in dinette mode. You do have a propane leak detector down here. Again, little storage underneath of that seat here. And if you really had to, say you got a grandkid or somebody with you, you could maybe sleep them over here on the little sofa area. There are TV hookups up here. There's a backer in the wall, so you could mount your TV up here if you wanted to. Now let's step outside and kind of go over the outside here real quick. Pretty cool little setup here. Again, you have the black entry door here, safety glass entry door, more ride step, 4-inch square tube bumper, spare tire, large handle there, power awning, LED light strip built in. Furnace exhaust out here, refrigerator access panel for maintenance, single axle. There is a gas line hookup down here, so you could maybe put your little portable grill out here. Electric outlet over there. Deep tent safety glass windows. Storage area. Heavy duty scissor jacks. Lower diamond plate metal, single 20-pound propane tank. Room for 1 or 2 batteries to go on here. You're going to have solar prep on the side right here, so you could put your portable solar panel here, city water, your gravity fill fresh water tank, gas electric water heater, and then right here you have some important informational stickers here. For example, this one was built 3/5 of 24, has a gross weight of 4,725 pounds. It's the most you can load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined, don't exceed that. You have an exterior length of 17 feet 3 inches, dry weight of 2,909 pounds, tire size ST225/75R15 D-range tire with a 65 PSI cold. Very important to make sure you keep up with your tire pressure when traveling with any RV. Up above that window, you have your stove exhaust vent. You have your detachable 30 amp power cord right here, cable satellite inlets, black tank flush to clean out the toilet, and you have your black and gray dump valves right here. So pretty quick and easy, simple little RV here. Very nice little setup if you're looking for something small. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this tour. Please be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. And as always, if you don't mind, please remember to hit that like button. Thanks again.